Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create open purchase order reminder so you can get reminders for purchase orders that are yet to be converted to bills in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account and then we're going to use a QuickBooks feature called Workflow Automation in the top right corner here. If you can't find it, you can just go to your search box and type for workflow and you will find workflow automation. You can click on it. Then we will find a lot of templates here. So we're gonna create new one by click this green icon. And then for this one, obviously we're gonna choose purchase order and then the reminder and then click next. And then this is the workflow. So basically, workflow start by event purchase order is created or edited. And then when this happen, when purchase order status is open and the purchase order send status is sent. So it's open and send. And then do this if to send reminder to, you can customize it. Obviously send reminder and then create and send recurring reminder if you want, but I'm not gonna do it. So I'm gonna start 2 days or 3 days after purchase order is sent at 9 a.m. and then it will end when purchase order is closed. And then you can choose to notify via email to your team or also your vendor if you want. And then you can just click save. So it's done basically. So when the purchase order is created and the purchase order is open and the status is sent, you will get a reminder. Your team and customer will get a reminder. And then you can just click save and turn on. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.